What is digital marketing? Benefits of digital marketing in 2022. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel. Essentially, if a marketing campaign involves digital communication, it's digital marketing. It refers to advertising delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. Using these online media channels, digital marketing is the method by which companies endorse goods, services, and brands. Consumers heavily rely on digital means to research products. For example, think with Google Marketing Insights found that 48% of consumers start their inquiries on search engines, while 33% look to brand websites and 26% search within mobile applications. Benefits of digital marketing. 1. A broad geographic reach. 2. Cost efficiency. 3. Quantifiable results. 4. Easier personalization. 5. More connection with customers. 6. Easy and convenient conversions. Types of digital marketing. Search engine optimization. Content marketing. Social media marketing. Pay-per-click marketing. Affiliate marketing. Native advertising. Marketing automation. Email marketing. Thanks for watching.